This is the Land 2 cam. We're going to be in the marsh and setting the camera up, come back and go over the details of the product and show you what it's about. The camera has a nice large window, infrared, your camera, two on the side on an angle, and your PIR sensor, the door and the locking area. You have 8 AAA batteries that you simply pull the tab to remove, not included. Your menu, 5D joystick and buttons to press, a speaker and the on button in setup to allow the unit to initiate for the first time and go through all the settings of the product. And then when you're ready, put in the on state and you're ready to go and close up and lock down. It is IP rated. It comes with the strap. It has teeth on the back and place where you want to see visual. It is a Wi-Fi unit, so you could download an application to further get into the options. So let's go set this up and go over the instructions of the unit. We're going to be setting up the trail cam to see if any animals, great for hunting, camping, hiking, scoping, place up in a tree and point out. Pick a spot you like, wrap it around the tree the best you can, set up. We're going to pick a spot inside and set it up. We're set up. Come back in a couple of days and see what it captures, what it looks like. We have the trail cam set up on the tree for a couple of days. It's time to take down and see the footage it has on there. We wrap it around the tree and lock it down. Not hard to do. It could fit a large tree and more. You could put this anywhere imaginable. By the beach, in the woods, your backyard, and capture the moment. On the bottom of the unit is a 1/4 20 tripod thread that you can mount, put on a pole, put on a bracket, and more. We're hooking up to an external power source, turning our camera on, and downloading the application for the wireless connection side. In the manual, you have your QR symbol. Open Trail Cam Go. The Trail Cam will say App Connecting. Follow the instructions. Click to add device. Wi-Fi camera. Next. Connect to the camera. Allow while using the application, and the camera will show app connecting. Join the network. Choose the front or backyard and hit the trail cam icon. We have a battery life of 20% with the memory card and the temperature, the date, and device information. If we look at the camera, we'll see what the camera shows through the camera lens. If we go into the gallery, you'll see all our images we have taken in the forest, the marsh. We have here is night, the infrared showing video with audio sound. You can hit the download and download the file to your smartphone. We have videos of daytime as well, and other videos of activities. As we back out and we go into the map and my account, you see now we have a picture of the actual camera in the front. We go into the settings and we're able to set our camera up. when the camera is up on top of a tree, a pole. We have a working mode. We have motion detection, time lapse, and photo. We have the detection of a couple of seconds to an hour. As we back out, we could choose photo and video, And we have also resolution and all. Motion detection, sensitivity, low, medium, high, and for how many seconds you want it for, 5 seconds to an hour. Your audio and display, security, and put a password to your SD card. And you have the status indicator back to the main screen. As we look at the camera and show you how easy it is to go through the setup manually before setting up to a pole. On our main screen, you have a photo, video, and back to the regular. You have a menu that you go through what we showed you on the smartphone, mode, work time, photo or video, and photo and video, the resolution of photo and video, up to a 5p in photo burst, a video length of up to an hour, audio resolution, detection delay, PIR sensitivity, motion filter, and a motion test. We have a fill light distance, a camera name, a Wi-Fi, date and timer, format the date, format the time, and a date stamp. Loop recording, beep sound, and a memory card format. You have a language, password, and factory reset, and your version. In playback, hit the menu to exit and go to playback to see your forward and previous videos by going up to the video to see what you have shot and hit OK to see the video play. You can pause the video. You can hit menu to delete the video or delete all files. You could take a photo when you're in the regular video mode, get out of the video, and hit the shoot. You're taking a video or photo depending on what you're in. And when all done, you could simply shut the unit off or set the unit up and close down for setting up your camera. The Trail Cam has a 32 gig card included and the micro cable that you can simply plug in, turns on, acknowledges on the computer, open up the files, and see a video that you have shot. And in the distance, you may see an animal going by or a tree branch triggering the camera. This is the 1290p video resolution. As we play the next video, you hear the sound. As you can see, you have the cable connected to the computer. This is the night vision shot. So if you're looking for a trail cam to put in the back to see animals or for security, this trail cam may be something that you are looking for. I hope you enjoy your trail cam if this is what you are after. Thank you for viewing.